Hello, welcome to this tutorial. My name is Robert and I'm going to show you how to start a transaction on our website. Now, you just come to escrowkenya.com, then you click login. You can log in using your email address or your phone number and then click start a transaction. Here you fill out the details of what you're buying or selling, details about how much you're buying or selling it for, and your agreements with the other person. So in this case, for demonstration purposes, I'll say I'm selling. Choose the best category that fits the item you're selling. So I'm going to say I'm selling a phone. I'm selling it for 10,000 shillings. You notice that the fee is automatically calculated. Now the next detail you need to provide is who pays the escrow fee. This totally depends on your agreements with the other person. In this case, I'm going to say shared. Then the order description. Here you can provide details about the shipping address, any instructions you have to the other person, or any terms and conditions that you have agreed to. So for instance, I can say, and I just proceed. Next thing I need to indicate is the due date. This is the date by which the item must reach the buyer. So in this case, let's say 9th November, and then you provide the other person's email address. If you have their phone number, you can indicate it, but at the very basic level, just provide an email address. Accept Escrow Kenya terms and conditions, then click finish. What happens when you do this? An escrow invitation is sent to the other person's email address. If that person is already registered and has a phone number active in their account, they are going to receive an SMS with the same information. If I open that order here, just click on it. It shows me the details about the order. The value, the amount has been apportioned, status awaiting confirmation. This means that the other person is yet to review it. So now that's the very simple steps to create an order. If I go to the buyer's email address, you'll see that the buyer received an email telling them, hi there, Robert Kamaru wants to transact with you with confidence. The order details and terms and conditions are captured there, and additional information. So if I click accept invitation, I'm told verify the order details. Next thing I need to do is log in or register, so I just log in. So when I log in, I can see please verify the order details. The fee has been apportioned correctly. Everything looks fine, so I just click accept. And once I accept, I am told to make payment. So there are two modes of payment. Either you can pay using M-Pesa or you can pay via bank. If you are located in Kenya, then you'll find M-Pesa very convenient, especially the automatic M-Pesa payment option. You just click the proceed button, confirm the phone number you wish to use to make payment. You can always edit this, and then once you submit, you get a pop-up on your phone asking you to input your M-Pesa PIN. Payment is confirmed automatically and the funds and the order is updated. If for some reason that doesn't work, just go to the manual M-Pesa payment option. The pay bill details are provided here along with the other details that you need to provide. Submit payment. We'll verify it within less than 3 minutes and update your order. If you are located outside Kenya, or if you wish to use bank payment, you can use the details provided here to make payment. Kenyan users will find it especially convenient to use PesaLink. PesaLink is available on all mobile banking apps. Just go to your bank's mobile banking application on your phone, click send money, click to another bank, select Pesa link. If you are asked send to account or send to phone number, select send to account, then select NCBA Bank Kenya PLC. Input the account number you see here on this order page. Input the amount that's quoted here. Reason for payment, indicate what's written here, and then submit the payment. We will verify the payment and update your order within less than 3 minutes. I'm just going to use automatic M-Pesa payment in this case. So I just click submit, and I've gotten a pop-up. I have gotten a pop-up on my phone asking me to input the M-Pesa pin. So I have input M-Pesa pin. I can see that the order has been updated. The status now reads in progress. I have also gotten an email here telling me order funded and confirmed. Your payment has been received and escrowed in your account, and some additional important information here. Always make sure you read this additional information. If you do not receive this email, an SMS is sent to you. It includes a link which when you click, you'll find this information there. Seller also got an email with the same important information. Again, the seller also got an SMS that has a link that contains this information in case they don't receive the email. Again, this is the buyer account. If I go to the dashboard, you'll notice that the amount has been escrowed in their online accounts. Again, if I go to the seller account, click dashboard, you'll notice that the amount has been held in escrow. So what happens next? For the buyer, all the buyer has to do is sit back, wait for the seller to deliver the goods, and then once they receive the goods, just log into the account, click orders, and then click the order number, and then click approve order. If I click here, you'll see approve order. This order will be marked as complete and payment released to the seller. So if I click yes, money will be released to the seller, but I don't want to do that right now. In the seller's account, if I click the order, you'll see that the order status reads in progress. All I have to do now is deliver the goods, ensure they get to the buyer before the due date, and then wait for payment to come to me. So back to the buyer account. What happens if the buyer doesn't receive the item by this due date? A dispute order button will appear here. The buyer can just log in, click dispute order to ask Escrow Kenya for assistance with getting their money back. Escrow Kenya will investigate the dispute and rule it based on the evidence provided. As a seller, what happens if you are not in a position to fulfill this order? At any moment, the order status reads in progress. There will also be a cancel and refund button that appears here. If you're not in a position to fulfill the order, just log into your account, click orders, click the order number, and then click cancel and refund. The money will go back to the buyer. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. That's how you start a transaction on our website. In case you have any questions or concerns, you can always reach us. You can reach us on phone or email us, or you can chat with us on our website at any time, and we are going to assist you. Browse this channel for more videos and more tutorials. Bye bye.